Hi, this is Maggie, and this is my software apps reflection presentation. So I'm going to start this presentation with what I knew before I entered the course. I have been using Word and PowerPoint basically ever since I was first in school. I've been using Word a lot longer. PowerPoint I started in middle school. But as for Excel and Outlook, Excel I never had to use up until high school, and Outlook I didn't even really knew existed until um, I started using it here at Western. And that brings me to my next slide of what I learned. So now I know my way around Excel a lot. I feel comfortable with the application. I feel like if somebody gave me an assignment to do on it, I could figure it out no problem, and I feel a lot more confident. I also use Outlook every day now, not just for Western emails, but also the new job I just started. Um, they use Outlook for their email service, and um, they use Calendar. And so now I know how to set up meetings and attend those. So I actually went into my work with a little extra knowledge because of this course. So I'm very grateful for it. And on top of that, also, I've learned for Word and PowerPoint lots of new shortcuts and lots of design options. Though I know how I knew my way around those applications, I didn't know anything extra. So it was great getting some extra information. And how software apps impacted me. At the beginning of the course, I was pretty nervous about taking this course because I flunked it once in the past. And now that it's almost done, I feel way more confident. This course was taught very well, and I learned so much. Um, and because of that, basically, my final thoughts are 10 out of 10, would recommend. I believe that I wish that I wouldn't have flunked this when I started college. I wish that I would have done better because I think that knowing the information that I've learned now would have helped me a lot. So I really do think that it would be a course that would benefit especially new students, but just anybody really. So I thought that the way that Gail taught it was fine, perfect. I don't have any improvements that I could personally think I could make to that course. So I have really uh, no feedback. But Gail, I would like to say thank you. You have been very great, very patient, and very helpful this entire course. And I just really appreciate all the extra effort that you put in to make sure that your students are understanding and that we're doing okay. That's really awesome. And I really couldn't have done it without all of your help. So thank you so much for everything. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your summer. Bye.